Let me just record this. Okay, we're talking about how in the key of C, we can use this idea of C, D minor 7, E minor 7, with other songs besides blues songs. You just need a whole bunch of C chords that are going on forever, a whole bunch of measures of them. And so the example I was using is I love you. So I love you, a bushel and a peck, a bushel and a peck. 3 measures of C. So how can we squeeze this in? Let me show you what I came up with. I love you, a bushel and a peck, a bushel and a peck, and a hug around the neck. So it's C, D minor 7, E minor 7, D minor 7, C, and then we launch into the rest of the song. It's a really neat trick. See what you can come up with other songs as well.